why don't we spin around to the other side, huh? Let's show them your other side. Ready? Put your hands in. Put your hands in. Here we go. Whee! I'm spinning to the other side now. I'm spinning to the other side now. Put your hand in. Oh. Now she's on the other side. Let's go see her over here. Let's see her over here with all the... Oh, she's got her sun already. Already got that sun, huh? There. Now I can see this girl. Now what? Show them how you play with your toy. And we make noise. We can make noise. We can spin. Gizmo. Gizmo, get. Get out of the picture. Get. Yeah, we're good.